one of the very special days of my life because this was the launch of my book by the king himself.
At this moment, my teenage girls told me, Mom, you're hot and your life is so cool. John Abraham is biking with you.
This is when I was under 9, when I initially started playing sport. So, I mean, back then I've never expected that I would become like this.
This was my mom's idea, guys. I was 6, so I'm not going to take responsibility.
Hey, I'm loving this. Where did you find these moments?
Hi TSW, this is Sania Mirza.
Hi TSW, this is PV Sindhu.
Namaste, TSW. I'm Dr. Deepa Malik, the first Indian woman to win a medal for India at the Paralympics. I have some cue cards, and TSW wants me to read the surprise which is enclosed in these cards. Woo! Yes! When John Abraham is biking around with you. You know, they said, what will she be able to achieve with chest below paralysis? Well, at this moment, my teenage girls told me, Mom, you're hot and your life is so cool.
Oh, yes. If you see a picture of my son, he looks exactly like this with like short hair, like right now. This was one of my first photo shoots, if you can call it. And I don't know why my mom would put me in clothes like that, but she thought it was cute. This was also 32 years ago, so I'm going to cut myself some slack and let my fashion be. But this was my mom's idea, guys. I was 6, so I'm not going to take responsibility. But I have a very vivid memory of this picture because there were also outfit changes that had happened, which thankfully didn't make it to the internet.
What's coming next? This is amazing. So, this is a moment which brought para sports at par with Olympic sports. No, this is not any of the Paralympic events. This is the money task of MTV Roadies, where I was made to compete against the contestants in the Roadies. The girls had to swim and beat my time, which they couldn't. And the beauty is, the men competed against Olympian Sushil Kumar, and the girls competed against me in the swimming pool. So that was even before I won a Paralympic medal. This brought an Olympian and a para-athlete together in the same platform, in the same reality show.
This is the moment that probably changed my life. After this very moment and this very match, I don't think anything ever remained the same for me ever again. And my life just changed for the better, obviously. I've won a lot of great matches after that, big tournaments. But this loss gave me and changed the trajectory of my life and my career. It was my first ever Grand Slam at the Australian Open. It was the 3rd round. There was a lot of history that was created, and then to play Serena Williams, who then went on to win Australian Open that year, was an amazing moment for me, but also gave me the belief that I could do the things that I did 20 years after that.
This is when I was under 9, when I initially started playing sport. So, I mean, back then I've never expected that I would become like this. But yeah, memories. When I look back, I think best memories like when I initially started playing sport.
Oh, yay! This is something I'm really proud of. And, you know, when they said that you're going to die in a room just because you sit on a wheelchair is going to bound you. And I said, no, I'm wheelchair liberated. And I'm going to make the best of what I am left with. If it were just the 2 arms, well, here they are. 23 international medals, 11 here, and 1 in the neck. So it's just perfect balance. All right, I love these surprises. These are really cute.
You've really picked out iconic pictures. Well done. This was possibly In the moment, I actually didn't understand how big or how relevant this cover was until much later. And that's what kind of happens in life. I think in the moments that you are actually achieving and doing things, you don't realize what you're doing. But when you look back at your life is when you realize how iconic this was, to be one of the very few people from this country to be on a, Global Times cover. And at the age of 18 was very, very special. Probably not in the moment, I didn't realize, like I said, but today I know the importance of it. These are like 4 photos. I don't know if you guys can see, but these are like 4 photos from the Australian Open. This Australian Open was actually extremely special, not just because it was the last time that I was going to play there, but it was because I had my son with me. And I think that somewhere, we talk about inspiring the next generation, and actually the work starts from home. And maybe one day when my son looks back at these pictures, he may not have understood the importance of this at this point, but maybe when he looks back in 10, 15 years, he'll understand what it truly meant and how it truly felt.
So, yeah, this is an amazing moment. I mean, not everybody gets the opportunity. So, yeah, I mean, getting 2 medals for the country at Olympics is something, my life has changed. So, this one, I think, representing my country, and I've been the flag bearer, at the Olympics, a proud moment for me.
Okay, this is possibly one of the most iconic moments of my life. This is obviously when we won Wimbledon. It was the first Grand Slam we won together, Martina and myself. And again, I can't believe it's been 10 years.
That's Devika Ambika and my husband Bikram. And this is that moment when I had just arrived from Rio Paralympics. I have the mascot Tom in my hand and the medal in the other one, and ear-to-ear grin. And I think my daughters said that this is the best stuffed toy I could ever bring for them.
This is a 2009 Australian Open. It was very special because the first final that Mahesh and I played was in 2008. And I actually had a torn adductor muscle in 2008 final, and I almost was not going to take the court. So to be there exactly 365 days later and be able to hold that trophy was extremely special. And to do it with one of my best friends and a fellow Indian was great.
And here we go with, fantastic. I think this was a moment where I could prove that I'm absolutely in love with wheels, and wheels can be of any kinds. I'm going to touch excellence in whatever way. They said she will never be able to get out of the house. Here I am driving on the highest motorable roads, creating a world record. This is a Khardungla Pass.
That's a wrap.